All right, I finished sheathing this side today, and I'm winded, I'm tired. And I'm framing this side here. All right, getting ready for the door, 36. Door's gonna go in the middle, basically. I framed the other side of the window. That's it. I just got to get more the plywood. I ran out. Yeah, I just got to measure to cut and fit. And then I just got to pick up the door. Cut the bottom of that 2x4 out and then set the door in place. And then start on the inside once it's all shelled up. I might hit it with a quick coat of primer paint right before the winter comes to protect the wood. And then I'll start doing sheetrock and stuff like that on the inside. But yeah, it's looking good. When I had to go with the, I believe it's an 8-inch space to match what was here. Okay, I'm gonna paint it the same color, dark gray. I like it. All right, that's it. Thanks a lot. Finally, the door is in. I framed the wall. Just got a little bit to do out there. Looks like an arrow. Got to cut a piece, let it, get it up in there and fit it. Did the door today. Today's Sunday, Labor Day weekend. Picked up this door from Home Depot. The fiberglass one. It was like $220. You can't beat it. I mean, the steel a little bit stronger, but I mean, come on. What are you going to come in here and take this stove? You know what I mean? So the door is in. I foamed it all the way around. It's level. I didn't get the, it's plumb level. Whatever, I get comments on that stuff. I didn't get the door. They had a special today on the lock. I should have grabbed it. I'll probably go back tonight. But here it is. It's a nice looking door, okay? Not bad. And I'm gonna do this little section out here. It's gonna be decking with a little handrail, just right around the corner. And then boom, downstairs, right to the yard. Okay, but it looks good. Comes with the brick molding. All right, it's not bad. It's Home Depot. All right, so it's in. At least this thing is gonna be, pretty much, rain tight, water tight, whatever you want to call it. I could start focusing on doing some inside work here. All right, so I'll tell you what, it turned out to be a nice sized room. So that's it. It is shelled up. A little bit up there I got to do, just that arrow. I'll probably do that later on. I'm tired. I'll tell you what, that window is real nice. I mean, you can't see it. Let's see if we can see it from here. You really can't with all the leaves, but about 300 feet, 400 feet from me, there's a lake. It's gonna be nice. So when I set up a couch or something over here, put the big TV on the wall there, and then I'll have the stove in the corner, because that's like 14 feet right there. You have a nice view when you're sitting down, you'll be low, so you don't see any action down there on that road. It's gonna be nice up here. All right, so everybody, let me end this video by saying have a nice Labor Day weekend. And I appreciate all the new subscribers and people taking the time to watch. That's pretty much it. So thanks again, and if you didn't subscribe yet, hit it. Subscribe, share, like. You know what you got to do. I was using the octane. I had the wall. I had the compressor. I mean, it's a little bit easier to use this one. I'm doing a little bit. I pretty much used all my tools on this one. All right, we'll talk to you soon. We'll catch you on the next one. Oh, I almost forgot. Yo, Sonny! You know you're not supposed to be on the ottoman with that raw bone, kid. All right, get it off. Come on, get it off. Seriously. His dog is trained. He'll never, never, ever growl with, look, this is a raw meat bone, and he's good. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.